Hello everyone, and welcome to our new video. In today's digital landscape, there's a lucrative opportunity to monetize your expertise by teaching simple skills online. With platforms like Teachable, you can create and sell courses to a global audience, opening up new avenues for income generation. Whether you're a seasoned professional or an enthusiast passionate about a particular subject, Teachable provides the tools and resources to turn your knowledge into a profitable online business. The link to Teachable is in the description. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to leverage Teachable to make money teaching simple skills in 2024. Begin by visiting the Teachable website, where you'll embark on your journey to create and sell online courses. Click on the Start for Free button to create your Teachable account. This grants you access to the platform's features without any upfront costs. Fill in your full name, email address, and choose a secure password to set up your Teachable account. Share information about how you intend to utilize Teachable. This enables the platform to tailor its services to meet your specific needs and goals. Once your account is set up, click on Get Started to select the type of product you want to create, such as an online course. Give your course an attention-grabbing title and choose the authorship details. Take advantage of Teachable's AI-powered writing technology to generate an outline for your course. This streamlines the content creation process and ensures a structured approach. Customize your course content and design using the intuitive editing tools provided by Teachable. Experiment with different layouts and styles to create a visually appealing learning experience. Before publishing, preview your course to ensure everything looks and functions as intended. Pay attention to the layout, formatting, and overall user experience. Add value to your course by including certificates of completion and detailed information about the course content, objectives, and instructor credentials. Determine the pricing strategy for your course, taking into account factors such as course duration, content quality, and target audience preferences. Once your course is live, use Teachable's dashboard to monitor key metrics such as student enrollment, engagement, and revenue. This data will help you optimize your course and marketing strategies for maximum profitability. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again.